Hi viewers, welcome back gardening enthusiasts. Today we are diving into a revolutionary gardening technique that's about to change the way you nurture your plants. Say hello to electroculture gardening. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, electroculture gardening has the potential to take your garden growth to next level. Section 1. What is electroculture gardening? In this section, we are diving into the fascinating world of electroculture gardening. Electroculture gardening is all about using the power of electricity to make your plants and soil thrive. Imagine giving your garden as an electrifying boost for incredible growth and health. But wait, you might be thinking, is this idea really new? Not quite. Ancient civilization like the Egyptians actually used electrically charged waters to make their crops flourish. So even way back then, people knew that a little bit of electricity could do wonders for plants. Now let's talk about why electroculture gardening is getting so much attention these days. The best part, it's good for our planet. Electroculture gardening is environmentally friendly because it might help us as fewer chemical fertilizers. That's win-win. Healthier plants and a happier earth. Electroculture gardening is like giving your garden a gentle, helpful zap of electricity. It's an ancient idea with a modern twist, and it could be the secret to growing your garden like never before. Section number 2. How does it work? Let's uncover the science behind electroculture gardening. Plants are pretty amazing. Did you know they naturally chat with electric field around them? Well, electroculture gardening takes advantage of this plant superpower. First, the currents talk to the roots, telling them high time to grow. This means more roots, and strong roots mean a healthy plant foundation. Plants slurp up nutrients from the soil, and these electric currents help them slurp when better. Nutrient uptake goes into the high gear, making plants super happy. Remember the word vitality. It's like the plant's energy level. Well, with these electric currents, plants get a vitality boost. They stand taller, look greener, and feel stronger. Electroculture gardening is like a party for the soil. Those electric currents also invite helpful microorganisms to join. These little guys create a buzzing community in the soil, making it a fantastic home for your plants. Electroculture gardening is like giving your plant a secret message in electric code. It makes them grow strong, eat better, and even invites their soil buddies for a get together. It's like a plant powered party in your garden. Section number 3. Setting up your electroculture garden. Ready to set up your own electrifying garden. Remember, safety first before you start. Make sure you are following the safety rules for working with electricity. We want a safe and happy gardening journey. Now let's talk about what you shall need. Simple stuff. Really gather copper wires, electrodes and power source. These are like the ingredients for your electric plant potion. Time to get your hand dirty. Gently put those electrodes into the soil. It's like planting little electric seeds. Spread them out so the currents can dance evenly through the soil. And don't forget about the power source. Pick a power source that's safe and in control. Think of it like giving your garden just the right amount of energy, like a plant friendly battery or a sun loving solar panel. Section number 4, Benefits of Electroculture Gardening. Now let's chat about all the good stuff your garden gets from this electrifying adventure. Imagine your plants growing faster than you ever thought. That's what happened with electroculture gardening. They are like superheroes with super growth. Guess what? Those electric currents does not just make plant happy, they also make some pest think twice about visiting. That means fewer bugs to bug your plants. And here's something great for our earth. By using less of those old school fertilizers, you are being kind to our planet. Sustainable gardening is like giving earth a big hug and your garden love it too. To wrap it up, electroculture gardening bring big perks to your plants. Speedy growth, pest protection and a greener world. It's like giving your garden power up, nature style. Section number 5, Tips for Success. Ready for some tips to make your electric field garden shine. Keep an eye on the soil wetness. Make sure it's not too dry or too soggy. Good moisture helps those electric currents travel smoothly. Let's talk about current, the electric kind. Start slow with the electric power. Think of it like a dimmer switch. Low at first, then slowly turning it up. Watch how your plants react and adjust accordingly. Mix it up with nature's help. Want to see even more magic? Combine the electric boost with organic tricks like composting and mulching. Your plants will throw a garden party. Section number 6, Real Life Success Stories. Time to hear some real stories from real gardeners. Gardeners from all around the globe are buzzing with excitement. They have tried electroculture gardening and seen some truly amazing results. But what about different plants? Guess what? It's not just one type of plant that loves the electric treatment. Everything from yummy veggies to tall fruit trees has felt the electric love. In a nutshell, remember these tips. Keep the soil comfy, adjust the electric power gently, and team up with organic pulse. And don't forget the stories. They prove that electroculture gardening really works. Section number 7, Frequently Asked Questions. Got questions? We have got the answers. Question time. Some of you might wonder, can this electric stuff harm plants? Well, sorry not. We are here to put those concerns to reset. How much electricity is safe? Great question. We are all about safety. The electricity used in electroculture gardening is like a friendly handshake for plants, not a shock. Hold on. Is this like plant shock therapy? No, not at all. Electroculture is not about giving your plants a jolt. It's more like giving them a warm hug of energy. Think of it as a soothing spa day for your green friends. To clear things up, reset easy friend. We are here to help, and electroculture gardening is all about gentle care, not plant shocks. So keep those questions coming and we shall keep those answers flowing. Conclusion. You are almost there, fellow gardeners. Let's wrap up this electrifying journey. Imagine turning your garden dreams into reality with electroculture gardening. That dreams might be closer than you think. Ready to see the magic for yourself. Go on, give it a shot. Watch as your plants flourish, your garden glows, and your smile grows. It's like having a secret plant superpower. If you are as excited as we are, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more fantastic gardening tips that shall make your plants and your heart sing. From all of us to you, happy gardening and may your garden's growth be as boundless as your curiosity. Until next time, keep nurturing and keep growing.